Hi lovely people, welcome back to olyscuisines channel. So today we are going to be making avocado salad dressing, and you would love this if you're looking for something different, if you love avocados, and if you're looking for a healthier substitute for a what's it called, salad cream. Anyway, the process is very explanatory, and for this I used half a lemon. This was a very small avocado, a very small sized avocado. I used half lemon, and I would suggest, if you don't want it to be tangy, if you don't want to get that strong lemon taste, then you should use maybe quarter lemon, or use half a lemon for a bigger size of avocado. This avocado was quite small. And the garlic you saw me add, I already popped in the microwave so that it would just be soft, so it wasn't like raw garlic like that. And you can see I added a slice of boiled egg. I also added very little onions. I just wanted to get everything. Added salt, added cayenne pepper. Everything I used is in the description box, and this was very nice. I loved it. I loved it. You can use it as a dip as well. You can use fried yam to eat this. You can use your chips for this. You can use it for bread. What else? Tell me if you're going to try this. Let me know what you think you'd like to pair it with as well. I think you can dip your roasted fish or roasted turkey in this as well. Oh my god, that would be so nice. That would actually be so nice. So this is me using it for the salad, and the link to the salad video is going to pop up on the screen by the right, and I will see you guys in my next video.